Hey, how are y'all doing during quarantine? So, this is my how-to video. I'm gonna be trying to teach you guys how to play, Master of Puppets. You know, the opening intro, like, riff. That, it sounds pretty hard to play, but if, you really break it down, it's pretty easy. So yeah, the riff sounds hard, but, in reality, it's pretty easy to play. So let's get right into that. Alright, we got the camera set up at the best angle I could find, and so this is how the riff goes. Hopefully this isn't too loud. Yeah, if you want to get it to sound pretty like the original song, you want to have like a nice distortion. If you have like an electric guitar, but any guitar will do. You know, if you want to just have some fun, learn a pretty easy riff. So how it's gonna start out is you're gonna take either these two fingers, your index and your middle finger, sorry for flipping you guys off, and you're going to plant them on the second fret of the A string, the second string down, and second fret of the D string, the third string down. Or you could just take your index finger and put them over those two strings and press down. So it would sound like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the open E string, which is the top thickest string, the A string, which you're covering with your index finger, and then the D string, which you're covering with your index finger on the second fret each. So undistorted is this. With a bit of distortion, it's this. And so it's going to start out E power chord, and you're going to go up to the 12th fret here on the E string, and using your index and ring finger, you're going to press the 12th fret and the 14th fret on the E string and the A string. So together that would sound like this. And you're going to slide that down one fret. So to the 11th and 13th. So 12, 14, 11, 13, 10, 12. And you're going to let the, pretty sure it's a D. I don't know, I'm not really good with notation and all that. Leave it for the music teachers. You're just going to leave that power chord, you know, to ring out for a little bit. So, from the beginning, E, 12, 11, 10, let it ring out. And so this is where it gets a bit tricky. If you want it to really sound like the original, there's a technique called downpicking, in which instead of playing guitar traditionally where you go down, up, down, up, down, up with your pick, you go down, 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 down. You just keep hitting downstrokes. That's what they're called. And so if you want to get it sounding tight like the original song, you want to do basically the entire riff using just downstrokes. So yeah, what you're gonna do is, just for its simplicity, I'm gonna call hitting the open E string a chug. So it will be 12, 11, 10, and then chug, chug. So open E string, 12, open E string, 11, and then what you're going to do this time, 10, 12 power chord, 9, 11 power chord, 8, 10 power chord. So from the beginning, it will be 12, 11, 10, let it ring out, and then chug, chug, 12, chug, chug, 11, chug, so you're chug, gonna hold the 10 power chord, 9, 8, 10 power chord, and then you're gonna do chug, chug, 7, chug, chug, 6, and then you're gonna do 1 chug. So it'll be chug, chug, 7, chug, chug, 6, chug, chug, 5, chug, 4, chug, 3, chug, 2, 1. So from the very beginning, it will be E power chord, 12, 11, 10, chug, chug, 12, chug, chug, 11, chug, chug, 10, 9, 8, power chord, chug, chug, 7, chug, chug, 6, chug, chug, 5, chug, 4, chug, 3, chug, 2, 1. And that's all you gotta do. So, without distortion from the very beginning, it'll be at full speed. With distortion, it would be just for sound. So, yeah, that's the opening riff for Master of Puppets. Yep, alright, well, thanks, bye, have a great rest of your day, hit that like button, subscribe, just kidding, I don't know if Mr. Craig's putting this on YouTube.